Hi friends, this is pickle time and this is lasoda Gunda. I found it in Indian store. What I'm doing here, I'm using my methi masala. You can find the recipe on my website. I have also posted the video and I'm mixing that with the grated raw mango. I have added a little bit of hing, salt and turmeric, mixed it. I have cut this already, removed the seed. I am stuffing that with the masala. The next, once it's all ready, I'm going to fry it with little oil. I'll just saute it maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and once that is done, once it's cooled down, I'm going to mix it with the rest of this masala and store it in the clean jar and top it with oil so it doesn't get spoiled. And once it's ready, you can put it in refrigerator and use it. It's amazing achar. This is actually my mother-in-law Bai used to make it, and we all absolutely love it. I always remember her whenever I prepare this. So this is very close to our family's heart, like this recipe. So do give it a try. I have already posted the recipe on my website.